Hey everyone, it's ClickHow. Today I'm going to show you how to generate images in Gemini for free. Two different ways. Method 1. Type your prompt, open gemini.google.com on your PC browser. Just type create an image of, followed by whatever you want. For example, create an image of a cat wearing a spacesuit on Mars. Hit send, and Gemini will generate it. Method 2. Use the Tools menu. Look at the bottom of the chat box. Click the Tools button, then select Create an Image. A style picker will appear with options like monochrome, technicolor, steampunk, and more. Choose a style, then type what you want. Gemini will generate an image matching that style. If you found image, hover over it and click the download icon in the top right corner. One important thing to know, all images generated by Gemini have a small SynthID watermark in the bottom right corner. That's Google's way of marking AI-generated content. If you're not happy with the result, click the redo button under the image or type a new prompt to change it. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.